Welcome back, guys. So we created label in the last lesson, but it doesn't end at creating labels. You have to color code your labels. Yes, so color coding is what you use to identify how important a label is. So let's talk about color coding email labels, color colors and their codes when it comes to email labels. So let's see the color coding style, and let's see how we can assign color. So color code email labels by navigating to label settings here. So locate label, select color. We're not talking about this. So recommended color schemes for email label. So red or magenta is urgent, high priority, immediate action. So let's do that right now. So the first label we want to label, the first color code we want to do is action required. So once I do this, once I click on this dot dot dot, I'm going to see label color. Now I can use this. So this is red, of course, so I'll use the red color to label action required. So you could see more color coding. We have green for finance, completed project, and yes, so we could do finance, completed project, low priority. We have blue, informational, team, personal, family. So let's say for your information should be blue. So if we're to do this, we're going to use blue for your information. So I'm going to come to label color, then I'm going to use the blue color for your information. Another important color is yellow, to do, pending. Okay, so we have awaiting reply. So we could use yellow for awaiting reply, of course. So let's use yellow for awaiting reply. So we could come right here to label, and we're going to use a yellow color for awaiting reply. So let's say newsletter should be green since it's informational. So we could use a green for newsletter, which is informational. So you could do that. We could actually change these colors much more later. Okay, it says brown or gray for newsletter, so let's change that right now. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to use gray for newsletter. Yes, so let's see. So yellow says to do, and let's see what we can use yellow for. So I've used yellow already. I've used yellow for awaiting reply. So we use green. Green is for completed project, so I think project should be green. So I'm going to say project should be green. So I'm going to change color on multiple label, only project, label project, and sub label. So since these are sub labels, should we make it green or true, or it should just be? So let's label the sub project as well, or the sub labels as well as green. So that way we've color coded the labels we created just by using a color code scheme. So basically that's how to color, or that's how to color code your labels. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.